Assalamu alaikum. I'm Iftikhar Ahmed and you're watching iDev. Today's video is about unknown computer hardware and its drivers. If you have devices in your system and you don't know its details, name, model, then you can't find its drivers. I will show you how to get device description and how to find its drivers. Before we move on, hit subscribe button, open device manager from start menu. I have a graphic card in my PC and I don't know its name and model, so I can't find its drivers. Windows have installed generic drivers instead. Open its properties, go to details and property drop down menu, go to hardware IDs. We need this vendor ID and device ID. So I will copy this information from here and paste it to Notepad for later use. Okay. Then I will delete this extra information here. We just need 4 digits of vendor ID and 4 digits of device ID. I will open my browser. Open PCIlookup.com. This screen will show, just click outside this box and this will vanish. We will write our vendor ID here, which is 1002, and our device ID here. Submit the form. Here we get vendor or the manufacturer of the device and its description. I will copy the description and try to find its drivers. Here we have, from here we can download drivers according to our system specifications. I have Windows 10 64-bit. I will download and install it. Let me know if you like this video. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.